Hello, in this video we will show you how to replace the reverse light switch on Skoda Octavia MK2. This car is using the 5-speed 0A4 transmission, which is part of the MQ250 family, and the reverse light switch on this transmission is located on top of the transmission. To get access to the reverse light switch, first we need to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that the air filter housing is removed, we have access to the reverse light switch. The reverse light switch is right there, the one with the electrical connector. First we need to remove the electrical connector. To remove it, we need to push that tab over there and pull out the connector. Here I show you a closer view of the tab that we need to press. This is the tab that we need to press and then pull out the connector. Next we need to remove the reverse light switch. To remove the reverse light switch you need to use a spanner size 22. To remove the reverse light switch we need to unscrew it. We're going to put our spanner in there and we're going to break it loose first and then we're going to remove it. We're going to continue to unscrew it until it gets very loose so that we can remove it by hand. Now I'm going to try to remove it all the way by hand. And that's the reverse light switch out. I'm going to try and show you the part number for it. Hopefully it's readable. Next we're going to put the reverse light switch back into place. We're going to screw it on and tighten it with the spanner. Once we tighten it with the spanner, next we're going to put the electrical connector back on and we're going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.